baby, no one, but you, no one, but you, no one, but you, no one, but I'll cry, you worry. It be you that cool my temper. It be you that chop my keys. It be you for bomb my daughter. But your boyfriend all my trips. I for like to show your side, but they get don't cure my.
Hello guys, the wig I will feature in this video is from my first wig.com, and there I will be featuring their DORIS Kinky straight wig, lace front. These are what came with the wig. Came with a wig cap, an afro comb, some pins, an elastic band, and more items. This is their DORIS Kinky straight wig, very full and pretty. The wig is lace front and at the back, machine weaving. The color lace of this wig is medium brown. It came with 3 combs, 2 at the side and one at the back. It also came with adjustable straps to secure the wig. Before I will cut off the excess lace, to avoid cutting the baby hairs, I will spray a little bit of water at the front and I will cut off the excess lace gently. I would advise you to leave a little bit of extra lace at the front to avoid shedding. And I will cut it off, and I will also go ahead and cut off the excess lace at the back of the wig. This wig can be used as a ponytail. I will just go ahead and sew in an elastic band to the wig. When sewing the elastic band, I will use a tiny needle. Avoid using wide needle. If you use wide needle, you will put a hole on the lace. It's better to use a tiny needle. And I will use thread to pass through the needle and sew in the elastic band to the wig. I will sew in the elastic band around. I will also show you guys. If I am done sewing the elastic band, I will secure and cut. And it's very good to sew an elastic band to your wig like this. This is the wig, very pretty and soft. I first of all put on a weaving cap and I will place the wig on my head like this. I will position it because I said earlier on that I will be doing a middle part. I will brush a little bit, brush to this side and to this side. I usually love to use the tangle brush. Very good. You need to go for that brush. And to lay the lace perfectly at the front, I will apply a little bit of got-to-be glue gel. And to avoid seeing white residue, I will advise you to allow the got-to-be glue to be tacky before you will place the lace. For me, I did allowed the got2b glue to be tacky. I just place the wig directly when I put the got2b glue on my head. It's better to allow the got2b glue to be tacky before placing the wig. For the part to be showing better, I will apply a little bit of my foundation on the part, and I will just use my hand to just dab it in a little bit. And this is the finished look of the wig, and I am actually liking the naturalism. Very pretty wig. Is very soft. The hair is very soft. I'm actually liking the length because I choose 20 inches. I never regret choosing this 20 inches. It's really very good. It will be like my everyday wig. I'm trying to show you guys better. I will flip it and flip it and flip it. You guys know how I usually love to rock my wig when showing you guys. I know you guys will be like, Freedom is okay, we have seen it, just go on. But I will still be showing you guys. And I will be coiling this wig. The coiler I'll be using is from Irresistible Me Safara 8-in-1 coiler. And don't forget that the link to this coiler will be in the description box below. Look at the finished look. I really like it. What I will do is to finger comb the coils to look more prettier, and then to give a little bit of volume. After doing this, you can style it to your own desire. Just it depends on how you really want your coils to look. This wig is really very pretty, and I never regret choosing the 20 inches. Don't forget that this wig is from myfirstwig.com. This is their DORIS Kinky straight wig, lace front, natural color, the lace color medium brown, the cap size 2, circumference 22.5, and if your head is very big, I would advise you to go for large size, and if your head is very small, I would advise you to go for small size, and if your head is normal, go for medium size. My cap size is medium. Don't forget that the link to the Safara 8-in-1 coiler will also be in the description box. The link to this wig will be in the description box below. Everything I used in this video will also be in the description box below. And then don't forget to also follow them on their social media. I will also put the link in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, you find this video helpful, give a huge thumbs up, share with friends and family. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.